Hello everyone. 22nd March is held as World Water Day. The theme of World Water Day 2021 is Valuing Water. On March 22nd, the United Nations General Assembly declared March 22nd as World Water Day. The symbol of World Water Day is a blue-colored water drop. World Water Day focuses on increasing awareness on the importance of water. Water is one of the most important resources on this planet. It is the source and foundation of our life in this planet. Life without water is impossible, and that is why Earth is the only planet that supports life. Water offers a home for many of the species in the form of ocean. If we want to survive on Earth tomorrow, we need to save water today. According to UNICEF, around 2.5 billion people don't have safe drinking water. Thanks from Abhinav Gideesh, Grade 1, Abu Dhabi Indian School.